So it's going to be a huge upgrade in general just by running a single 800 kV. And we're further in gear reduction, which multiplies torque even more. No possible way, guys. Oh my God! Colossus just got crazier. If you recall, the world's strongest RC car pulling 2 real cars, well, now we're gonna be running twice the amount of power what he was running before. And instead of running one of these whopping 20+ horsepower brushless motors from Castle, we're running 2 of them. I bring you Colossus ×2. Guys, this is a twin 800 kV brushless monster truck that is actually going to pull my car with a twist. Whoa. And we are just going to be breaking in this beautiful mount right over here. This is from PPS by Mahoney. CNC this beautiful twin motor mount for this Kraton 8S right here. You guys can also see in there, we have some hardened steel Island Hobby Nut gears. So hopefully that'll also put a huge strain, what we're gonna be doing today, on them as well. And we're gonna see how well it can do. We have twin XLX2s, 2 800 kVs, geared as far down in gear reduction as we could possibly go. We had an 1100 kV in there that pulled 2 real cars at the same time. Now we have 800 kV. What the heck does 800 kV mean? It's lower kV. Well, instead of 1100 kV being higher up in RPM, it's sacrificing a little bit of torque and efficiency. The 800 kV is actually going to be better for this application. 800 kV, we're going to be a little bit slower, which is honestly something I really don't care about regarding this kind of aspect. So this is perfect. So it's going to be a huge upgrade in general just by running a single 800 kV. Well, I got 2 of them in there, and we're further in gear reduction, which multiplies torque even more. Now, as for the power source I'm actually going to be running 2 6S Innovation RC Edition 10,000 milliamp batteries. They are also the 8 gauge variant, so they are really nice and beautiful, leading all the way to our awesome XLX2 ESCs. Now, if you want to get yourself some of these beautiful, awesome batteries from ChinaHobbyLine, make sure you click the link below, and it's going to be in the comment section as well if you want to get your hands on some of these awesome monstrosities right here. Now, these ESCs can run up to 8S. We're only going to be running 6S, so we're still not even going to see the maximum amount of torque that we're going to be able to get today. But we shouldn't even need to run this whole setup at 100% potential with what we're going to do. Now, this is a 2021 Kia Stinger GT. So this guy is actually going to be just over 4,000 pounds, and we're going to have Colossus pull it. Only difference is I'm actually going to try to hold Colossus back. Additionally, we are also going to be pulling the car as well. That is where this is going to get absolutely crazy. Now, before I even do that, because I don't even know if it's going to work, I'm going to individually hold Colossus back. And we're going to see if he could even push me. Yeah, 160 pounds. Hopefully everything goes well. Now, look at that gear reduction. I'm not even touching it, and there's zero hesitation. Super duper smooth, low end torque. Not even a mile an hour. Now, that's already going to be expected, but we're going to see if he can do that with all 160 pounds of me trying to prevent it from moving forward. We're going to see about that. All right, so here I go. I'm going to put my hand on the front shock tower. Hopefully that's going to be the easiest place to do it. Oh, let's try to balance here. Oh, no possible way, guys. Oh my God! Oh my God, oh my God, okay. All right, my finger was actually slipping. I did not mean to go that fast. But you guys can see how much torque is in this thing. It is ridiculous. So before I pull Colossus, I just want you guys to see, I have all the windows open. There's no one else here but me. It's just me, myself, and I. And we are in neutral right over there. So the car can roll 100%. And I'll show you guys right now. Yeah, so the car can roll. And this test is also going to be just the warm-up of what I ultimately have planned for Colossus. This is just the beginning here, guys. So I know he could pull my car. I know that. I'm gonna be really impressed if he could still do that with me pushing against it. If I could hold it like this in the middle, maybe it'd be easier. You guys like my butt? All right. Come on. Oh, it didn't even hesitate. Oh. It moved. I'm out of breath. Hopefully it'll be better like this. Get a better grip on Colossus. Come on. Son of a bitch did it. It actually did it. And I'm out of breath. It's about to be that time. It's kind of laid out. But you can see how much of my weight I was using to attempt to stop Colossus, and he's still gripped and grabbed. All these tire marks right here, not from my real car, from Colossus. Whew. You guys can see. Yeah. No one in here. All right, well, that's the whole car, guys. Nobody in it. Colossus was able to overcome me actually pushing against it. This is actually probably from my shoes going back from where I was standing right there. I was pushing against Colossus, doing the best I could to hold him back. And it also pulled my car at the same time. All right, so now let's take a little bit of a temp. 84. It is ambient air. It's only 80 whatever degrees, guys. Yeah, the motor is still ambient temperature of whatever the air is here. That is crazy. ESCs, 83. They're the same exact temperature. 86. All right, guys, nothing broke. 90 degrees. It was able to overcome the static friction of my car as well as me pushing against it with every bit of my might. So I just got home and I hooked both my Innovation RC Edition batteries up from today, and unimaginably there's like no battery loss at all. Total voltage is going to be 4.2 volts per cell, and we're only at 4.1, so we lost basically 1/10 of a volt per cell, which is honestly nothing at all. Alrighty, guys, so the sun's about to go down. We did what we needed to today. I'm still out of breath. If you enjoyed this, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe below. We'll have more crazy tests just like this. But this is only the beginning as to what Colossus ×2 is going to do. So make sure you do that. Alrighty, guys, as always, make sure you stay safe and have a good one.